Hi, have you ever wished to cheat on Cookie Clicker? Of course you do! Cookie Clicker is one of the oldest clicker game in the world. If you don't know what a clicker game is, no problemo, amigo. Understanding what a clicker is very simple. Do you see that cookie? I can click on it. And every time I click on a cookie, I get a cookie. And once that I got multiple cookies, I can buy a grandma to bake more cookies for me. And then I can buy more and more grandmas indefinitely. Which leads to a terribly addictive, crazy spin. But there is a problem, and here it is. Clicking is hard and expensive. I mean, look at the price of this mouse. Nah, I cannot afford this. And it can also lead to tendons injuries. Not cool, baby. That's a problem, and here is the solution. Just cheat! Very easy. Yes, some very easy cheats can be found online. But what if I told you that we can actually do it in a painful and unnecessary too long way? By cheating, we can actually learn real-life skills. And then, while all the other players will spend money on mice, you will actually grow. Isn't that amazing? So let's see how to achieve this very difficult and useless task. And now, before starting to code anything, very importanto. It might seem crazy what I'm about to say, but programming can be easy. You have a need, you transform it into a solution. You must start thinking,
Hey, what is this guy? I cannot even perform a double click. How am I supposed to learn how to code?
I'm sorry, I'm kidding, I'm sorry. The fact is that there is a way to enjoy the process and make it as simple as stealing a lollipop from a baby. Just let's try to make it fun, make it enjoyable. Okay, think about what your super program is going to do. Write it down. What do we want to do? I want a bot, I want to become rich, I want to have tons of cookies. Well, if you think like this, coming up with a solution will be hard. The problem is that with this way of thinking, we are focused on the what, whereas we should focus on the why instead. Remember this little guy's golden circle? We are in it. Youpla! So let's try to find another way to describe them. I want a bot. Okay, what is the bot going to do now? Solving my problems. What are the problems? I don't like to click, and I play a game called Cookie Clicker. So what I would like to have is a bot that clicks. Very simple, right? And now we have to answer multiple questions. We have to define where do I want to click and when do I want to click. I would like to click at this position of the screen and as long as the program runs. And that's it, we did the hardest part. And now let's do it for real. See you later for the part 1.